Hey y'all, APG Jamie here. And today brings us hashtag Artsy second Sunday for February. And the crowd goes, or whatever it sounds like when the crowd goes wild. Any hoobles. Our options on theme this month were Valentine, hearts, Cupid, feather, and chocolate. I'll take hearts and feathers, Alex. So, we started out with a piece of white cardstock and a stencil. List of ingredients in the description below the next hop link, okay? That's Molly. She's annoying today. Any hoobles, a list of ingredients is down there. We sprayed with mica distress stain spray, mica glittery stuff, y'all. And we're stamping a couple of hearts, a couple of different hearts on my platforms harassing me. Then we're going to be doing some heat embossing. Okay. Magic of heat embossing. Do you know I like it a lot? Okay, so portions of the video, whole thing, really sped up, y'all. Really sped up. So my goal for this project was to make a somewhat of a little greeting, Valentine's, if you will, for my husband, who is true blue, hence the blue. That and it's my color of the year. Okay. So it's kind of a two-fold. Anywho, and so I kind of wanted a heart that opened up to show another heart, you know, exposing your inner heart, blah, 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 you know, all that squishy, mushy stuff. Magical heat gun, y'all. Embossing. Just wait for it. I do like to heat it from the back and then move to the front. I don't know, it just seems to work so well that way. Molly needs a bath. She rolled in something a while ago, just before I started this, and I'm like, no, I can't give you a bath right now. I have a voiceover I must do, then we'll bathe you. That girl, I tell you what, she's my heart though. So cutting it out, kind of wiggle woggly. You saw that. You can be precise if you want to be really, you know, good at your fussy or cussy cutting, depending on how you pronounce it. And this is another heart. This is going to be the one that opens, okay? Opens to expose the inner heart. And we're doing the same thing. I stamp it a couple times with the black soot. Then I'm going to come back and I stamp it once or twice with the embossing ink. And that's just my handmade, homemade, whatever you want to look at it. Barren, you know, just something to give you an even pressure all around. And so now we're going to put Black Sparkle's the name of this one, y'all. And it's pretty nice, y'all. So we're going to do that. Later on, I will come back and emboss on the back of this one. I'd stamp the same heart on the back of this one with blue, but I didn't film that part because you've already been seeing it, okay? Okay. Like I may have briefly mentioned, there is a link to the next person in this premiere hop, but the recordings will be available even if the premiere is over, okay? So no worries about that, y'all. Be sure to comment, like, and share everyone else's videos. Subscribe to their channels if you're not already subscribed to them, because they's a fun bunch of people. Heat gun, y'all. So, oh, there I am. I'm showing me actually embossing it because I already had it cut out. And then I thought, oh, wait, I don't want the back to be blank. We better put some embossing on there, too. It's not perfect. None of it's perfect. But, you know, what is perfect? It's a relative term. Check out my You Need to Hear This series if you need more information on perfection, because it was the first one in that series. Any hoodle doodles. Heat gun, y'all. And we are embossing and embossing and embossing. Most of the videos in this hop are about 10 minutes, so you come and go as you please, all right? Lots of fun stuff. So get ready. Oh, I'm cutting that heart in two. And I know a lot of y'all are thinking black, a black heart? What is that symbolic of? Well, let me just tell you about the color black for a second, or 5 minutes, however long. Black is a conglomeration of all colors, okay? It is the darkness from which the light shines into. Anything is possible. You can create whatever you want to create. It's the color of creativity, and well, sort of, think about, where you were birthed from, a nice dark womb, all that kind of stuff, y'all. Woo, kind of stuff. Anywho, cutting out a red heart, basically the same size. We're going to layer it because that's our inside heart. Okay, this one, and we've got a piece of lace. It was a little stiff, but the more I worked with the lace, the softer it got. I probably should have hand washed it so it would have been soft from the get-go, but no, couldn't be bothered with that. So we're gluing it down. We're using Fabrifix because, we've got some fabric lace. And now we've got some eyelash trim because y'all know I love the eyelash trims. And we're going to use some red sealing wax on the back of that because all Valentines need to have a flower on them. And this one's got a rose on the stamp. I'm going to take a gold pen and we're going to color it up. Just any dye. I guess I could have cut some of that out, but say la vie, people. And there we go. We're just coloring that up with the gold pen so you can see it's a rose. I guess the only thing missing would be a piece of chocolate, which I could add. Oh, and I didn't put a Cupid on it. I do have Cupid. Oh, maybe I'll go back and add a Cupid charm. I have a Cupid charm. Here's our little feather. Oh, I could have used all those theme options. Anyhow, so now we're going to do that. We're going to wrap the red lace only over the top, okay, of this heart, because this is the part that opens, okay, and then you're going to use the lace to tie it shut, because you tie it all tied up in bows. Yeah. All kinds of floofy stuff going on in here, people, okay? So we're doing that. I know the eyelash trim is there, but it doesn't really stick because I didn't push on it. So anyway, so we're doing that, and then we let it dry for quite a while, and then I thought I need to put a note in there for my honeyman. So I took a little die cut heart, went around it with the same gold pen. Now we're going to glue it in there. Again, using the Fabrifix because, we are sticking stuff onto embossed, which is kind of plasticized surface here. And that's my little note. And I kind of tore it out in a little heart shape. And it's my real handwriting, y'all. Oh. Anyways, here we go. Flippity dip. That's the back. Sweet. He's going to love it. He might even make him get a little watery in his eyes with allergies. And you untie it. And when you untie it, slowly, you open it up. And now you have an open heart that is true blue. And you see the inside of the heart. And you get your little private secret message, that you already read. And then we go with our ta-da photo montage. And we get our little photo montage close-up kisses. Y'all, it was a fun little project. Very sweet and close to my heart that I'm sure my husband will love, who's probably watching the video. Maybe I can keep it from him just a little longer. And there we go. Sweet. Be sure to click the link in the description box below and follow along this fun hopping video premieres and later. Fully still there, still available, totally available, people. Thanks for watching and happy arting, y'all.